What's going on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram? This is Michael with Trushine Cleaning. Heard out at I should say a repeat client house. It's actual property. My cousin, she owned this. I'm showing you guys this because I was here this summer and I pressure washed this house. This side was the worst. If you guys go back into my videos, you guys will see. So, getting ready to take you guys into the house now. So, I believe the current tenant that was in here moved out at the end of the year. Keep in mind today is January 4th. So this is actually like the second job of the year for me. I kind of slowed down a little bit at the end of the year and took some little time off. So I'm back at it now. So it is a lot of debris that I'm going to pick up before I start pre-vacuuming. But this is definitely going to be a good vacuuming video, especially for you guys on YouTube that like to watch those, those very thorough cleaning, those satisfying videos. So I believe this will be a great video for you guys. So stay tuned and thanks for watching. And if you haven't already, can you please subscribe to the YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook at Trushine CC. I'm also going to be doing these steps, these little carpet. It's only in the middle, so I'm going to be doing those as well. So, but thanks for watching. All right, you guys. So, just got done walking around, picking up as much large pieces of debris that I felt was not going to be able to be sucked into the vacuum. So, just put everything in a little bag right there. So, you guys, it's an empty canister, nothing's in it. So, I'm estimating that this will be at least for these 3 rooms. For this room, well, this is considered 2 rooms, but for this room, hallway, keep in mind I gotta go around all the borders of all the rooms. This room and this room. So a total of 4 areas up here. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to dump this canister at least twice. So all right, you guys, showing you the finished results of these 2 rooms. This area, I got a little spot right here that I just treated. I'm gonna see if that comes out. I'm not sure exactly what it is, but everything else been coming out great. I'm done with these 2 rooms. I'm gonna get ready to do this hallway. I've already did half of the hallway. I'm getting ready to work my way out the door, and I'm going over this area one more time. If you watch the beginning of this video, you will see how this carpet look. So it's lightened up very well, but it is like a dark area here. It's a dark area here, so I'm scrubbing it with the Oric, seeing if I can break down any more of those high traffic wear and tear areas. So you can't really do too much about wear and tear. So it may still look like this when I'm done, but I just want to do a thorough cleaning on it. So You know, you can't do too much about the high traffic where people walk a lot. As you can see, like the back of the carpet, I mean, the edges of the carpet is not bad at all. Pretty sure they had like a couch or something along the wall. So you can see mainly where a lot of the foot traffic is at, leading in and out the door. So I'm finna get ready to agitate this area and work my way out the door. So I'll show you guys some of this process. Thanks for watching. All right, you guys, showing you this finished results. Just spraying my deodorizer around. Oh, cut this light off. So, like I said before, this is a rental property. So, as you can start in this room. This little spot right there, I think it was ink. It lightened up pretty good compared to what it was. I mean, how dark it was at first. But it did not come all the way out. So this room came out great. Out of all the rooms, this room actually was in the best condition. I didn't have to agitate that room. Hallway came out great. This front room came out great as well. As you can see, all those dark, heavy build-up spots came out. I used to put my